putting it in the video. Hello, my beautiful sun rays, and welcome back to my channel, y'all. For those of you that don't know, I got married back in September in Santorini, Greece, and we really wanted to do our honeymoon in the Maldives. Now, y'all, when I tell you this has been the most stressful trip planning I have ever encountered in my entire life, and I am a flight attendant, and it's usually pretty easy. Sorry, the wind is winding outside. It's usually pretty easy for me to maneuver and get around and get things pumping and going at the last minute, at the drop of a dime, even if I do it ahead of time. It's easy. But for this Maldives trip, it's gonna take me all year. So we're going to the Maldives next year. This year, we did a little mini moon to celebrate because we couldn't just, get married and not do anything. Even though we got married in Greece, we really didn't get to enjoy it the way that we wanted to. So we planned this mini moon in February in beautiful Costa Rica. You guys, we have loved this trip. We had one little mishap on day one when we arrived into our room. But other than that, this room, this hotel, everything, the beach, the people, this has been an amazing trip. But without further ado, I know you came here to see this room, so let's get into our EWOW Suite here at the Costa Rica Reserva Conchal. Y'all, you won't be disappointed, and I promise you, this is the only room that you're gonna wanna book here. If you look up and see the rest of the rooms here at this resort, you're only gonna want this room. If not the EWOW, maybe the WOW Suite. I'm assuming it's the same suite as this, just minus the addition that's to the left. Other than that, y'all, trust me, if you're looking for just a nice, I don't know, just smooth, calm, peaceful getaway out here in Costa Rica, and you still want that hotel luxuries that come with that and not Airbnb. You want these hotel luxuries, the Costa Rica Reserva Conchal. Exquisite. Now let's get into it. You're coming to this grand entrance here. These double doors lead us into this great space. Y'all, there is a giant living room area if you have family or friends that are coming along with you on this trip. I suggest, bigger kids. I wouldn't bring any small kids to this room, but you do you. My favorite part about this gigantic living room area is not the amazing view, but y'all, they gave us a foosball table in here. When is the last time that you played foosball? Honestly, this was the only time I played foosball, but it's kind of fun. And I didn't know that, y'all, this right here, this is a move that you can do. I didn't know that was legal. I watched my husband do it. This is a highlight for me. Another great highlight is that you are fully equipped with snacks and bar things and a coffee machine. Y'all, if you don't know by now, your girl is a coffee fanatic, and it is a must-have. And it's not just coffee, it's good coffee. It's Costa Rica coffee. Y'all, these are the perks. These are the things. They do come in and restock these things daily. However, these two shelves and what is located in that little mini fridge, you do pay for. So my suggestion to you would be buy some snacks and some liquor before you come in, and you can come in and just buy some drinks, because I will say everything is pretty darn pricey down at that bar. And to give you a little bit of a cheat sheet, the cocktails are probably about $25 a cocktail. So take my advice, bring your own liquor and bring your own snacks so that you're not buying everything downstairs. Anyway, let's get into the bedroom. Come on, guys. This bedroom area. The fact that your bed is directly in front of the plunge pool that comes with the room or comes with your suite. So the best way for me to describe how magical this is to talk about sunrise and sunset. Now where our room is located, it's facing the ocean, but it's not facing where the sun comes up. The sun comes up this way. But in the mornings, to see that glorious glow and the colors, and then you have this little pool here. It's like, it's nothing I can compare it to. I stayed at another resort that kind of had a similar feel down in Acapulco. But this one, I don't know if it's because we're so high up or how grand this whole space is, but this is beautiful. Love it. Love it. And I'm telling you, when we come back, because I know we're coming back, because my husband loves this place, whenever we come back, we have to have this room, same exact room. We've already like scoped out the place. We went around and talked to some of the employees here about the 2 other suites that they, or the 3 other suites they have. None of them compare. This is the best suite here at the W Costa Rica. So if you book, just know your grand bedroom is facing your plunge pool. Also, you can open these windows right here and go directly into the pool. Straight out the bed, just jump into the pool. That's smooth. Let's go in the bathroom, y'all. Onto the bathroom, the shower area. Just serenity, serene. There's so many colors in this space. Like when you first walk in, there's a purple couch and there's like green seats and red seats and just multicolors all over the place. And for a girl that loves color, when I came into this restroom and saw that there was a lack thereof, all I felt was peace. I don't even know how to explain that either, but this is serene. It's so clean. I would never do this at home because my mind just automatically thinks rainbows and unicorns and colors all the time, always, but all they did was like those neutral, light, earthy tones in here, and it made me want to get in the tub. That tub looks like a gigantic cereal bowl, but it was phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. I'm gonna get in it just so I can show you how well you fit into a cereal bowl. Oi! See? Perfecto. All I need is my bubbles now. I got in and my husband's first initial thought was, or reaction was, we can't fit in there together. And no we can't. I would literally be on top of him if we were in this tub together. But other than that, it's perfect for one. Yes! But what we can do together, and you can do with your friends or your husband or whatever, I don't know what kind of friends y'all have, but the shower area is actually doable. We can both get in this shower at the same time. We need this at home. Our shower at home is very big, but this shower in here this is something else. Y'all, this is a blessing. Every couple needs 2 shower heads coming from the ceiling, because it's the answer. It just simply is the answer. The closet space is the closet. Simple enough. Now I feel like we should talk about the extended portion of your EWOW Suite. This part over here is, I'm assuming it's optional. That's my assumption. because there's really no reason for this. And I think the only difference from the WOW Suite to the EWOW Suite is the fact that the EWOW Suite has this extra portion over here. And there's a double door, it closes on both sides. So I'm assuming if they were to just sell you the WOW Suite, it would not have this extra room over here. Initially, we thought this was amazing because we need separate toilets, me and my other half. And I said, well, that's awesome. He'll have a toilet over here and I'll have the toilet in the bedroom. But let me show you something before we go into this extended area. You don't need that separate toilet because there's another restroom right here on the other side of the living room space. You know, it's definitely, it's like an apartment. It's definitely like an apartment. But let's go into this other bedroom space. I don't know if maybe if you have, I'm guessing that this area would be great if you had maybe some teenage kids or bigger kids, or you know, just other family that's traveling with you and you guys all want to be together. It's perfect for gatherings of family and friends. So if you have close friends that you don't mind staying in the unit on the other side of the living room space of your hotel, this would be the perfect place for you to book your rooms. And I believe you'd have a blast, to be honest. Like, there's another balcony here. There's a double shower head in that shower too. So, you know, bring your broke friends, put them in this room. I'm kidding, definitely kidding, but I'm not. Put them in this room and have them pay the fee to just stay here. There are two, these look like full-size beds. I don't know if this is a queen or a full. It's small. The bed that's in the grand bedroom is definitely a king, but there are two smaller over here. So you can just bring some more folks. Bring your whole family. Y'all, let's go outside before my battery dies. How's our tour going? Now I must warn you, I did not bring my windshield for my microphone, so we shall see how this will go. It's very windy here. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because we're this high up or if it's just always windy here, but it's very windy. So we'll see. Let's go outside. Last but not least, let's talk about this outdoor space. If you have not noticed, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seats in this patio area alone, along with this giant surfboard table. Along with this giant table, there's ample seating. There's lighting out here at night, though I don't advise you to sit out here at night due to another story that I'll tell on another video. But that pool space can actually hold, it holds me and my husband very well, but I think you could probably get about 4 people in there at the same time, just kind of kicking it, maybe even more. We did our floating breakfast out here. Highly suggest, highly recommend. That was the most adorable thing. The only downside I can say about it is the simple fact that because it's so windy out here, and because we're kind of located on the side of the building where the sun does not come up, the sun is on the other side in the morning. If you do the floating breakfast early, you're kind of just in cold water. So whenever I did my floating breakfast, I definitely started out with my legs in the water, but since my husband wouldn't get in because it was very much cold and he simply just wanted to eat his food, we brought the basket back out and ate our food right here on this long surfboard table. Other than that, it's beautiful. If you're listening, I do believe that you should start doing a floating dinner out here on this side specifically, because we missed out a little bit. Anyway, if you haven't already done so, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back with more content regarding all of my travel. Someone told me that I needed to start doing more travel videos because I'm always gone somewhere doing something. So there's any travel footage. But as you can see, my camera is is rocking and I'm super nervous about it. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye, sunrays.